Dance Mom said I had to. Hi Sparkles, it's Jordan Sparks. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I came up with a super exciting idea, and that is going to be Dance Mom's Picks My Makeup Challenge. And you guys voted for it in the poll of what you guys wanted to see next. Before we hop into today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're brand new here, make sure to smash that juicy red subscribe button and hit the bell notification if you want to be reminded every single time that I upload a video. So let's hop right into it. So how I created this makeup challenge, found all of the solos, trios, duos, group numbers that had a color in the title, and then I wrote down all those colors and I cut them up and I put them in a hat. For each part of my makeup routine, I'm going to draw out a new dance from the hat, and that color is going to choose what color is going to be used in my makeup routine. But the fun part is, some of the dances in here have more than one color. Some of them might even have a rainbow. So if you're interested in that, make sure to give this video a great big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not yet already, and let's hop right into this. So now that my base and brows are done, we can hop into the fun stuff. If you'd like to see how I did my base and my brows, I will leave a link in the description below. But let's hop into the fun stuff. So we're going to start with the eyeshadow. My eyelids are already primed and ready to go. I'm going to do like a cut crease or maybe a double cut crease just to try and incorporate as many colors as possible. Now usually you would use kind of like a nude colored transition shade, but to make this fun, I'm going to use literally whatever color that I draw from the hat, even if it is metallic or shimmery, and that will be my transition shade. So let's see what my transition shade is going to be. Black Swan. So we drew Black Swan, which was the duet with Maddie and Chloe. Okay, so I guess we're going to start out with a black transition shade. This is not going to be pretty, you guys. I guess when you're starting with a black transition shade, blending is going to be your best friend. So I'm going to use the black out of this Last Call High Density Quad palette by Tigi. Wish me luck. I'm just going to stamp on this first color. Black. Uh-oh. Not going so well. But I'm going to try and like slightly wing it out. But since we are starting with black, I figured that we would kind of go for like a more powerful winged look. I'm going to try applying the eyeshadow with the brush that I use for my eyebrows and then just blend it out and hope for the best. This way I can have more control of detail. Ooh, so we're a superhero, are we? So now I'm going to try and blend out this mess using the brush that I originally started with. Using itty bitty circles. Trying not to blend too far up. So I don't want this to be super messy, but just enough to smoke it out. So this is what we have so far. It could be worse. Could certainly be better. I went to go put on the concealer and the brush just broke in half. So now I'm going to stamp on some concealer and then we can pick our lid color from the hat. I'm just going to be using this Cover FX concealer, which is really, really thick, so it's perfect for doing a cut crease. So I like to go just above my actual crease, and you want to be careful just to stamp the concealer and not like drag it around and blend it, or else you're going to blend in like that black eyeshadow color. If anybody wants to try and recreate whatever this hot mess is going to be, you can kind of see the gray coming in and mixing with the concealer. So you want to try and avoid that. Doesn't really matter for today because we're putting another color on top of that, but if you wanted to do like a flesh colored cut crease, then you're going to want to make sure not to blend those two colors together. So now that I have that concealer on, while it's still wet, I'm going to draw another shade from the hat and figure out what color I'm doing the lid. Silver Sponge. That is one big spoon. So I guess I'm doing a silver lid on a black eye. So I'm going to go in with the silver from the same palette on a flat brush, and I'm just going to press that all over my eyelid. Just cake that shit on. So here's what we have so far. Now I'm going to go back in, and I'm going to go back over top of that black cut crease that we've carved out, and I'm just going to go over top with black eyeliner so that it looks more sharp and has more dimension. And for that I'm going to be using this e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. Oh my god, I'm so shaky, I'm already regretting this decision. Oh my god, can anybody else see how much I'm shaking? So here's what we have so far. I mean, it's a relatively hot mess. So now I'm going to go back into the hat and pick another color for the waterline on the bottom. Oh my god, watch it be like rainbow. Golden child. And I'm far from forgotten. Yeah, I'm loved and adored by you. When darkness rolls in again, yeah, remind my heart of what is true. So the only gold things that I actually have is the glitter in this Wet n Wild glitter palette, so I guess I'm going to be doing a glitter waterline, which seems a little weird, but like, Dance Mom said I had to. This is kind of like a super goopy Vaseline type formula, so I'm just going to like press it in. Alright, so here's what we have. I would say that it doesn't look the worst, but putting glitter in your waterline, it looks the worst. I guess let's see if it looks any better with some eyeliner. It's seeming really hard to get the black eyeliner to show up over top of the silver eyeshadow, so YOLO. Did you just see that? Alright, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm going to toss on a lash and try and recreate this on the other eye, and we'll be right back. Alright, so we're back. I just tried to recreate the same look on the other eye and toss on some lashes. Now I'm going to pop on some mascara to cover up that glitter monstrosity on the bottom lash line and blend these lashes into my real lashes, and then we can draw another color for the lips. Alright, dance moms, which color will you pick next for ma bouche? My bouche? My lips. Me trying to be French. Epic fail. Alright. Over the rainbow! Somewhere over the rainbow. Okay, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to do rainbow lips, considering I don't even have any lips. Womp womp. Alright. Okay, so I decided that I'm going to start by covering up my lips with this Cover FX concealer. I normally don't really wear anything on my lips because I don't like to draw attention to the fact that I don't have any. So we're going to overline a bit today with concealer. Now I'm actually going to go in with this NYX Ultimate Brights eyeshadow palette to create the rainbow look on my lips while the concealer is still tacky. I am super sister sorry to Sister James, but this is all I could sister spend at the sister second. I'm going to start with this hot pink color, and I'm just going to press it into the outer corner. Just going to spray the brush and see if that makes it any easier. I feel like wetting the brush made this a lot easier. Now I'm going to go in on the other corner, and I'm going to go in with this purple color. Next I'm going to go in with this bright blue shade. I'm just going to put it right next to the pink. Now I'm going to wet my brush again, and I'm going to dip back in the pink and blend it back in the other direction so that it creates kind of like an ombre melting effect. Now I'm going to go in on this outer corner with this bright green color. I'm just wiping off my brush with the Beauty Blender in between colors. Alright, so this is what we have so far. So I'm just going to go into the center of the lips with this bright yellow color. I can't believe this is actually working. Alright, so now that we have our rainbow lips, I'm just going to clean up around the perimeter with some concealer. Alright, so now that we've got our ombre rainbow lips, I'm going to set everything in place again using this e.l.f. setting spray. Since the lips are powder. Now I'm just going to go in with some Liquid Highlight by Boxy. Blend that out using a beauty blender. Alright, and there we have the finished look. So Dance Moms picks my makeup routine. I can't believe that this somewhat worked. I'm a little bit kind of scared. Would I go out and party with this? Maybe to a rave. I kind of look like the Joker, or a jester or something, but I don't know. It could have been way worse. Yes. I don't know, I had so much fun filming this video though. If you guys had fun, please let me know in the comments. And if you have any suggestions for other videos that you would like me to film in the future, definitely let me know as well. I had so much fun filming this one. I can't believe that these rainbow lips actually worked out. I feel like they're glowing because of the concealer that I put around them, but you live and you learn. What do you guys think of this finished look though? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys would like me to do a part 2 of this video, let me know in the comments below. But before you go, if you're brand new to my channel, make sure to hit that juicy red subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell notification if you want to be reminded every single time that I post a video. And don't forget to be weird, be wild, and stay sparkly, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So I'm going to stamp on the concealer. So I'm going to stamp on some concealer and then we can pick whatever color. So now I'm going to stamp on some concealer and then we can pick our lid color from the hat.
Danger. The emergency disrupt system is now activated. The ship will detonate in T-minus 10 minutes.